Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn what to do when your iPhone 14 keeps restarting itself. An iPhone 14 can sometimes randomly restarts itself when you're charging it or after you use it for a while. You think it'll go back to normal after it boots up and shows the lock screen, but it's not. It shuts off again. Then the Apple screen comes on. It turns back on. Your iPhone 14 keeps restarting over and over every few minutes, which seems like it's entering the rebooting cycle. There are a number of reasons this can happen. The iPhone 14 battery might be low. The storage space is small. Faulty apps render the iPhone 14 restart problem. The iOS software needs to be upgraded. iPhone 14 automatic restart problems caused by hardware defects. To stop your iPhone 14 from restarting itself, this video will be divided into two parts. Instructions in this video apply to all models of iPhone 14, including iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro or iPhone 14 Pro Max. The first part will introduce the fixes to attempt when your iPhone 14 keeps restarting on its own but you can still access the device home screen. Step 1. Check the battery health. A faulty battery is a common cause for the iPhone 14 auto restart problem. Open the Settings app. Find and choose Battery. Tap Battery Health and Charging. If it tells you that the battery health is less than 80% or needs to be serviced, consider repairing it on Apple or an Apple authorized service provider. If it's still in good condition, move to the next step. Step 2. See how much storage is left. Did you notice that the iPhone 14 keeps restarting every 3 minutes all of a sudden? It may be a signal that your device memory is almost full and the system asks you to free up some space. To see if the storage is the problem, go to Settings, choose General, tap iPhone Storage. If your iPhone 14 is short on storage, your next step should be deleting unused items to free up at least 5 GB space for a smooth operating performance. If your iPhone has enough memory, move to the next step. Step 3. Update apps or remove them. Did your iPhone 14 begin restarting the Apple logo and keep doing that over and over again while in the middle of using specific apps? Consider examining the apps. First of all, review if you're using the official app. Second, see if it's running its latest version and upgrade it if it's not. Third, browse the information of the app and verify if it's compatible with your iOS models. Fourth, remove the app and find an alternative one. You'll have to remove it if your iPhone 14 keeps restarting itself after you do all you can do for the problematic apps. The second part will introduce the fixes to attempt when your iPhone 14 keeps rebooting and never stops. Step 1. Force restart the system. This one is simple, but it could bring a magic effort. It helps refresh the corrupted operating system and fix up the boot failure when your iPhone 14 keeps crashing and restarting. A force restart can be easily done using buttons, without requiring you to touch the screen. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button for a while. When you see the Apple logo, let go of the side button. If you see the lock screen or home screen, wait for a few minutes and see if the endless restart on iPhone 14 reoccurs. If unfortunately it does, move to the next step. Step 2. Utilize the recovery mode options. Doing iOS updates sometimes could bring in software problems. Several users have tried to install the latest iOS update but find iPhone 14 is constantly restarting itself after the update, even the latest one. The constant restart problem can be a corruption caused by an incomplete install. Thankfully, Apple embeds a recovery mode right on your iPhone 14. It allows you to choose to do an update or a restore to fix the issues even when you can't access the home screen. Open a PC or Mac that is running its latest version. Then, launch iTunes or Finder that is running its latest version. Apply a cable to connect your iPhone 14 to the computer and put your device into recovery mode while connecting. Quickly press the volume up button then release. Quickly press the volume down button then release. Press the power button and keep holding it for a few seconds. Keep holding the power button even when you see the Apple logo screen. When you see a computer, a USB cable, and a link showing up on a black screen, release the power button. It's a recovery mode screen. Just repeat the steps to enter again if you fail. Once done, go to your computer. Now, iTunes or Finder on your computer can quickly connect to an iPhone in recovery mode. A message dialog box should have popped up. Just like this. Choose the update option. Finish the products that follow. When finished, it'll automatically start downloading the latest iOS software. After around an hour or two, the process should be completed. See if your iPhone 14 stops restarting randomly after it upgrades. If it still brings you back to the Apple logo and black screen cycle, do these steps again to do a restore. Step 3. Speak with Apple directly. If even the factory reset doesn't work, it can be concluded that your iPhone 14 has a hardware defect. You can go to the Apple support webpage and find the service phone number that's for your region, and call the expert when it is convenient. If there is an Apple store near you, you can also ask the expert there in person why your iPhone 14 keeps randomly rebooting. Don't forget to make an appointment first before you head to the store. That's all for how to fix an iPhone 14 that keeps restarting itself randomly. If you find this video helps, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.